You can start now.
Sorry.
You can start.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Board of Directors of Joindre Capital Services Limited, I, Ms. Shweta Gupta, Company Secretary, extend a very warm welcome to all of you at the 28th AGM of the company held through video conferencing in compliance with the circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, and the Securities of Exchange Board of India. I am attending this meeting from the registered office of the company. The time now is 10 a.m. I would like to inform you that the proceedings of this meeting have been recorded. During the meeting, the participants would be on mute. I am being informed by the moderator that the requisite number of members to constitute the quorum for the meeting have already logged in on the InstaMeet platform, and accordingly, I now call the meeting to order. Before I proceed further, I would like to introduce to my fellow panel members who are present in this meeting. Mr. Subhash Agrawal, whole-time director of the company, is joining us from from Mumbai. Mr. Anil Mutha, chairman of the meeting. Who is also a whole-time director. Mr. Paras Bhatia, whole-time director of the company. Mr. Dinesh Khandelwal, whole-time director of the company. Mr. Vipin Thokal, non-executive independent director and chairman of Audit Committee and Nomination and Remuneration Committee. Mr. Ravi Jain, non-executive independent director, chairman of Stakeholder and Relationship Committee. Mrs. Jeha Shah, non-executive independent director. Ms. Pooja Bajaj, non-executive independent director, and Mr. Pramod Surana, financial officer of the company. We also have with us Mr. Suresh Rakhecha from Messrs. S. Rakhecha and Company, Chartered Accountants, being the statutory auditors. Mr. Gauri Shankar Toshniwal from Messrs. G.S. Toshniwal and Company, Chartered Accountants, being the internal auditors. And Mr. Pradeep Shah and Punit Shah from Messrs. P.P. Shah and Company, being the secretarial auditors and also the scrutinizer of the e-voting process for this AGM. The respective profiles of directors are provided in the annual report, which had already been sent through email, and I hope you had a chance to go through it. Members may please be informed that registers required under the relevant provisions of the Companies Act and rules, the auditor's report, the secretarial audit report, and other relevant documents are available for inspection on the website of the company under the tab Downloads AGM 2022-23. As the AGM is held through video conference, the facility for appointment of proxies by the members is not applicable, and hence the proxy register is not available for inspection. The notice convening the 28th AGM along with the annual financial statements and report of directors along with annexures have been sent through email as per the circulars. I would like to take them as read. The statutory auditor's report on standalone and consolidated financial statements do not carry any qualifications, adverse observations or comments on financial statements and other matters which may have any adverse effect on the functioning of the company. I will take the report as read. The secretarial audit report do not carry any qualifications. I will take the report as read. Before we take up the business as mentioned in the notice, I kindly request our chairman, Mr. Anil Mutha, to deliver his speech and share valuable insights.
Good morning and warm welcome to all valued shareholders, board members, management team to the annual general meeting of Joindre Capital Services Limited. I am delighted to address you today as the chairman of this organization. The director report and audited accounts of the company for the year ended 31st March 2023 have been in your possession for quite some time. I trust that all of you have taken opportunity to review the reports. The fiscal year 2022-23 witnessed significant development in the Indian stock market, reflecting the broader economic trend and market sentiment. The past year has been one of the significant challenges and uncertainties, but also a time of resilience and growth for the Indian economy. At the beginning of the year, there were concerns about the potential impact of inflation and global economic headwinds on market performance. However, as the year progressed, the Indian economy displayed remarkable resilience. Despite these challenges, the stock market managed to perform reasonably well, thanks to the various government initiatives and the resilience of Indian businesses. One of the key factors driving market sentiment has been the strong rebound in consumer confidence and spending. Moreover, India's GDP growth for the financial year 2022-23 has surpassed expectations, which has further boosted investor confidence. The robust quarterly trajectory of consumption and investment foreseen pandemic level have been particularly encouraging sign for the economy. The recovery from the pandemic-induced downturn emphasized on technology and innovation, government policies and foreign investment all contributed to the market overall performance. However, it is essential to remain cautious as uncertainties and challenges continue to exist in the global and domestic economic landscape. Investors and businesses must embrace risk management practices and align themselves with the ESG principle to foster sustainable growth and stability in the Indian economy. With this background, I shall now propose with the concise overview of the company's financial performance. The annual report, which is already with you, contains the consolidated and standalone financial results for the year 2022-23. Our total income stood at 2,897.31 lakhs and profit before tax of rupees 426.87 lakhs. As a testament to our efficient operations and strategic financial management. After considering tax implications, our profit after tax amounted to rupees 308.24 lakhs. The total comprehensive income of rupees 367.61 lakhs, which takes into account all comprehensive gains and losses throughout the year. Although the figure decreased from the last year, it showcases our ability to adapt and optimize performance. As we move forward, we remain steadfast in our pursuit of innovation and excellence, aiming to surpass our achievements in the years to come. I encourage all shareholders to actively participate in today's discussion, share your valuable insight, and raise any concerns you may have. Your perspectives are vital in shaping the future of the organization. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my gratitude to our dedicated employees without whom our achievement would not have been possible. I also want to thank our esteemed board members for their wisdom, guidance, and support, our clients for their trust upon us, business associates and bankers for their valuable support. Once again, I thank you all and I look forward for an engaging and fruitful annual general meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now take up the resolution as set forth in the notice. Item number 1 of the notice, to receive, consider and adopt audited standalone financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2023, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. Audited consolidated financial statements of the company for the financial year 31st March 2023 and report of auditors thereon. Item number 2 of notice, to receive, consider and adopt the audited consolidated annual financial statements of the company for the financial year 31st March 2023 and reports of auditors thereon. Item number 3 of the notice, to declare dividend of rupees 1.25 per equity share, that is 12.5% of the face value of 10 each for the financial year ended 31st March 2023. Item number 4 of notice, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Anil Mutha, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Item number 5 of the notice, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Paras Bhatia, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Item number 6 of the notice, to approve the acceptance of deposit from members pursuant to section 73 subsection 2 of the Companies Act 2013, read with Companies Acceptance of Deposits Rules 2014. The text of the resolutions along with the explanatory statements is provided in the notice to the members. Now, I would request the moderator to invite the registered speakers one by one.
Thank you, madam. I now announce the first speaker. The first speaker is Ms. Lekha Shah.
Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good morning to all of you. Myself, Lekha Shah from Mumbai. First of all, I'm very much thankful to our company secretary, Sweta ma'am, for sending the AGM notice well in time, which is full of knowledge, fact and figures in place. Thank you, Chairman sir, for explaining us well about the company. Chairman sir, I pray to God that He always shower His blessing upon you. Sir, I'm confident that with your vision and determination, you will lead our company to greater height. And also, I pray to God our company should progress more and more under you and your team's work. Sir, I would like to ask few questions. My first question is, what is the total number of employees and how many women employees are working in our company? Chairman sir, I hope the company will continue video conference meeting in future. Since LinkedIn time allowed to us login without any problem. I would like to thank them there for our services, especially Preeti ma'am, Ashish bhai and Prashant bhai. I strongly support all the resolutions for today's meeting and my best wishes always our company and its prosperity. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Our next speaker is Mr. Yusuf Rangwala.
सर आपको आवाज आ रहा है सर? कैन यू माय वॉइस सर? आपको आवाज आ रहा है सर? सब प्रणाम नमस्कार। चेयरमैन साहब आपको आवाज आ रहा है मेरा? हेलो, कैन यू हियर माय वॉइस?
Yes, yes, yes.
सर वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सर पहले तो आपको शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ, आपने ₹1 डिविडेंड दिया अनिल भाई, दिस इज वेरी गुड। वी आर डेट डिविडेंड लिस्ट, दिस शोज हाउ आवर कंपनी ग्रोइंग अप। सर मेरा छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है सर, जोरदार कैपिटल का कितना ब्रांचेस है ओवरऑल इंडिया में सर, जानना चाहता हूँ। और अपना जो है, मैं सर एक छोटा सा आपको और एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, अपना जैन जेवीली जो अपना रोटन डैम है 406 405 जो हमारा वो आप उनके पार्टनर बने, वहाँ पे भी मैं आपका क्लाइंट हूँ सर, और आपके साथ में जुड़ा हुआ सर, मैं आपके साथ में सर बहुत मुझे खुशी होती है। आपकी सर्विस सर लाजवाब है सर, आप अपने ईमेल बीमेल सब प्रोवाइड करते हैं सर। यू आर वन ऑफ द लीडिंग इन दिस कंपनी सर। सर मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आपका मेन कंपनी को ना मोतीलाल ओसवाल और देयर आर सो मेनी अदर इन दिस बिजनेस, आपका और उनका सर क्या कंपटीशन है मोतीलाल ओसवाल का सर, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आज एट प्रेजेंट मोतीलाल दे आर नंबर 1 सर, इफ आई एम नॉट आस्किंग अ रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन सर। एंड वी अपना नंबर क्या है सर ब्रोकरिंग में, अपना नंबर क्या है सर रैंकिंग में सर, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ जो रैंकिंग सर इन दिस ब्रोकरिंग। एंड सर मैं अपना लिंक पीपल का जितना तारीफ करो उतना कम है, पार्टी मैडम, प्रशांत सर, पूरा टीम उनकी हार्ड वर्किंग है सर, और अपनी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी जिसका तारीफ करो इतना कम है सर। ये 28 में एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग है, आपने डिविडेंड ₹1.20 दिया सर, ये अच्छा डिविडेंड है सर। आज मैं समझता हूँ सर हमको टिप दीजिए सर, को टिप तो आपो सर शेयर बाजार में केवी लेवा जीवी सर के તમારે જાણકારી કોઈ હોય તો આપો સર, અમારા મોટીલાલ વસવાળા વાળા ટીપ આપતા સાહેબ, મને તમારો જો એપોઇન્ટમેન્ટ આપજો સાહેબ, બની શકે તો ઇફ પોસિબલ સર। સો આઈ વુડ લાઈક ટુ હેવ અ ચેટ વિથ યુ સર, ધીસ ઇઝ માય હમ્બલ રિક્વેસ્ટ સર। શેર બજારના બારામાં મને જાણવું છે સર। સર સાહેબ મને બીજી એક છોટું જે मैं પૂછવા માંગુ છે, व्हाट इज द व्यू ऑफ टाटा स्टील सर? दिस इज ए पर्सनल क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द व्यू ऑफ टाटा स्टील इन्फोसिस? दिस इज टू स्मॉल क्वेश्चन। આપના દિમાગમાં શું લાગે છે ટાર્ગેટ સર, તમે મને બતાવો તો મહેરબાની સાહેબ। બીજું તો મને કઈ જાણવું નથી, તમારો ફૂલ સપોર્ટ આપવું છે ને मैं તમારો ક્લાइंट છું સર, वी विल विद यू सर, जब तक हम आपके साथ जुड़े रहेंगे हमें बहुत मजा आता है सर। जोरदार कैपिटल नाम ही काफी है सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच, मे गॉड ब्लेस आवर कंपनी। एक छोटा सा शेयर पेश करके मैं अपना यहाँ पे ऑन करना चाहता हूँ। फूलों की खुशबू, कलियों के बाहर सर, हर रेजोल्यूशन में मैं आपको वोट किया है फेवर में सर। एनएसजीएल की भी जितनी तारीफ करूं इतना कम है। अनिल भाई તમારો ટમેટો બહુ સારા ચેરમેન છે સાહેબ, આજે તમારી કંપની તમારા હાર્ડ વર્કિંગ, તમારે નોલેજ ને તમારી ગાઈડન્સ માં સર એટલી ઉપર છે સર। થેન્ક યુ સર, મે ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ સર, માય ફૂલ સપોર્ટ। થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ સર। वन मोर I thank our Shuta madam for giving us very excellent services. She is a very hard working company secretary. Thank you sir, Jai Hind sir।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our next speaker is Prakashini Shenoy.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, I'm Prakashini Ganesha Shenoy from Bombay. Respected Honorable Chairman, other dignitaries on the board, and my fellow shareholders, good morning to all of you. I received the annual report well in time, which is self-explanatory. I thank Ms. Sweta Jain for the same. I should not forget to thank her once again me of today's meeting, without which I wouldn't be in a position to speak. Thank you once again, Sweta ji. The chairman has given beautiful picture regarding the working in all parameters. Thank you, Chairman, sir. So I have one or two questions. My first question is, what is the future of the company? Please let me know. And how are we planning to increase revenue in future? My last question is, what results can we expect for the next quarter? So last but not the least, as my previous speaker, Ms. Lekha Shah has told, please continue with the video conferencing so that people all over the world will have an opportunity to express their views. I wish the company good luck for a bright future and pray God that the profit of the company shall reach the trip on this thing. I supported all the resolutions put forth in today's meeting. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Our next speaker is Mr. Yogesh Viswekar.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First of all, good morning to all the board directors and my fellow shareholders. Our chairman Anil ji, sir. After going through the balance sheet which I received from our secretarial team, as I requested, first of all, I like to thank her for all the correspondence work which she has done. Secondly, I would also like to thank our LinkedIn time, who has given me the link right on time, through which we are doing the video conferencing. As far as our balance sheet is concerned, sir, you have already explained in your opening remarks that the profit which we are having is little less. I can understand it is just because the fees income has been dropped somewhat. And secondly, I would like to just give a suggestion that certainly we can control our other expenses, sir, because those are the things which are adding to our, lessening our profits. So if we could control that, that would be really good. Other than that, sir, I really support all your resolution. Being profit less also, you have also given out the dividend, so no issues about that. I will also like to thank our company members such as Mr. Shuklaji, who is always assisting us for any shareholder grievance or any shareholder. Thank you, sir, once again. And I again like to thank our company secretary for all her correspondence work. Thank you once again for allowing me to speak, sir.
Thank you, sir. Our next speaker is Mr. Bharat Shah.
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है सर? सर आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, माननीय चेयरमैन श्री अनिल भाई और अन्य मान्यवर डायरेक्टर, सर मेरा नाम भरत शाह। सर मैं वर्षों से आपका शेयर होल्डर रहा हूँ। सर अपने जो कंपनी व्यवस्थित चला रहे हो, मैं अभिनंदन धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। एक बार आपने डिविडेंड भी दिया है, धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। और कंपनी एकदम व्यवस्थित अच्छी चलेगी, मैं भगवान ईश्वर को प्रार्थना करता हूं सर। और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्वेताबेन जैन का मैं आभार मानता हूं सर, उनका स्वागत भी करता हूं। बहुत बड़ी पहली उनकी मीटिंग है, तो मैं उनका स्वागत करता हूं। और उन्होंने सर हमने उनको बैलेंस शीट की कॉपी मांगी थी, रजिस्ट्रेशन किया, तो व्यवस्थित हमको रजिस्ट्रेशन भी करके दिया, बैलेंस शीट का कॉपी भी भेजा। बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रहे हैं श्वेताबेन जैन, तो मैं श्वेताबेन जैन और उनकी पूरी टीम टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ सर। और सर दूसरा कि अपने रंगबाला भाई जो अपने शेयर होल्डर है, उसने आपका अपॉइंटमेंट का बोला, तो सर आप फेस टू फेस क्यों नहीं करते, तो सब लोग आपको मिल सकेंगे सर। अभी तो सब कंपनी का AGM है, फेस टू फेस ही हो रहा है सर। LNT का है 9 तारीख को मीटिंग, फेस टू फेस ही है, हॉल में बिरला मातुश्री में है। और छोटा छोटा सब कंपनी तो फेस टू फेस मीटिंग करते हैं, तो सर नेक्स्ट ईयर मिलो तो एक आत्मीयता का बड़ा होगा, तो अपना मिलना जुलना होगा सर। नेक्स्ट ईयर फेस टू फेस जरूर मीटिंग रखनी, और नहीं तो हाइब्रिड रखो, बाहर गाँव वाले तो ज्यादा रहते नहीं अपनी मीटिंग में, तो हाइब्रिड रखिए, जो अगर 12 वाले रहने को जा रहे हैं। अभी सर दमन में भी एक मीटिंग, 2-3 मीटिंग चल रही है, वो भी फेस टू फेस ही उधर चल रही है सर। और सर शेयर का सेमिनार या ऐसा कुछ है प्रोग्राम तो हमको जरूर सर अपना इन्वाइट करना शेयर होल्डर को, तो हम जान सके इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में। और हमको अकाउंट सर नया खोलने का है तो क्या करना चाहिए और किधर आपका अकाउंट खुलता है नया शेयर का ट्रेडिंग का, वो जरा जरूर बताने की कृपा करना सर। बाकी सब रिजोल्यूशन में मेरा सपोर्ट है। आपकी हेल्थ वेल्थ अच्छी रहे, अपनी कंपनी बहुत बढ़िया आगे बढ़े, भगवान ईश्वर को प्रार्थना है। जय हिंद, जय श्री कृष्ण सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir. Now I invite our last speaker, Miss Smita Shah.
हेलो हेलो हेलो
हेलो।
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है मैडम?
जी मैम।
ओके। माननीय चेयरमैन सर श्री अनिल जी और अन्य माननीय डायरेक्टर सर, मैं स्मिता शाह बात करती हूँ। गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते सर। सर पहले तो मैं हमारे मिस श्वेता जी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी का मैं इस बोर्ड पर मैं एज ए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस है। आते ही उन्होंने अपनी जिम्मेदारी अच्छे से संभाल ली है। हमें सही समय पर हमें जो अपना एक फिजिकल कॉपी हमारा रिक्वेस्ट अनुसार भेज दी है और साथ में बहुत फुल इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ उन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया बैलेंस शीट भी बनाई है और हमें लिंक भी समय पर मिल गई है। और जो आज आपके साथ हमें जो श्वेता ने भी हमें बात करने का मौका दिया, तो मिस श्वेता का और साथ में मैं लिंक इन टाइम का भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मानती हूँ कि उन्होंने भी हमें लिंक भेजी और हमें अच्छी, वो उनकी भी अच्छी सर्विस है। सो मैं लिंक इन टाइम और श्वेता का बहुत बहुत आभार और धन्यवाद और अभिनंदन और फ्यूचर की बेस्ट शुभकामना मैं श्वेता को दी है। और सर आपको भी मैं बधाई देती हूँ कि आज आपने 25 माना सिल्वर जुबली पार कर दी। तो कंपनी को बहुत मेहनत के साथ आप आगे बढ़ा रहे हो और आपकी लीडरशिप में आपकी पूरी बोर्ड टीम सभी आपके जो अपने एम्प्लॉय है सभी का बहुत मेहनत और हार्डवर्क है। तो आज कंपनी बहुत अच्छे से आगे बढ़ने जा रही है और आपकी सर्विस भी बेहतरीन रही है। तो सर बस हमेशा आप ऐसे ही आगे आगे बढ़ते रहे, हम भी आपके साथ हैं। और सर मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं कि उन्नति के साथ, प्रगति के साथ सर फ्यूचर में बहुत बहुत आगे बढ़े और फ्यूचर में बढ़िया डिविडेंड भी दे पाए, यही मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं है। और सर आपका कोई सेमिनार या इवेंट हो तो हमें जरूर इनवाइट करें ताकि हमें भी उसका कुछ लाभ मिल सके। और सर मैं जरूर कहूंगी कि आपका अभी जो डिविडेंड आपने दिया बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और सर मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि सर अभी वीसी का ये कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है सर। अभी तो सर सब जगह सब कुछ अपना रेगुलर हो चुका है, स्कूल कॉलेज अपना सभी, आप सभी का ऑफिस सब रेगुलर मोड पे चालू हो गया है। तो सर ये वीसी माध्यम का कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है। और ये फिजिकल रखते हैं तो सर आपका रूबरू तो मिलना होता है, लेकिन सर हमें ज्यादा फायदा वो होएगा कि आपके साथ हमें रूबरू मिलकर जो एडवाइस मिलने का मौका मिलता है, तो वो साल में एक बार जो मिलता था वो अभी 4 साल से बंद हो गया है। तो सर मेरा हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपका एजीएम नेक्स्ट ईयर से ये अपना वीसी नहीं लेकिन फिजिकल में ही रखें ताकि हम भी एडवाइस मिल सके। अभी रंगवाला जी ने आपसे अपॉइंटमेंट लिया तो ये ऐसा अपॉइंटमेंट लेने का कोई जरूर नहीं पड़ता है क्योंकि रूबरू आप ही मिल जाते हो एक साल। तो ये सभी शेयरहोल्डर को फायदा मिलता है आपकी एडवाइस लेने का। तो सर मेरा हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर एजीएम फिजिकल में रखे। बाकी तो हरदम हमारा साथ आपके साथ रहा है। तो आज भी मेरा आज के सभी रिजोल्यूशन में मैं फुल्ली सपोर्ट करती हूँ। बस मेरा बहुत बहुत सर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। थैंक यू।
We have one more speaker shareholder, that is Miss Vasudha Dakwe.
Hello, can you hear me? Very good morning, respected Chairman Sir, Board of Directors and my fellow shareholders. Myself Vasudha from Thane. I would like to congratulate our company secretary, Ms. Shweta ma'am and her team for sending me the soft copy of the report well in advance, which itself is clear and transparent. The opening speech is given by the chairperson is also very informative. I would like to ask, what is our attrition rate? Secondly, I would like to know how many new demat accounts was opened during the last years. With this, I support all the resolution. Thank you very much and wish the company all the best for coming financial years and my best wishes for all the festivals coming during the month of Shravan and Bhadrapad. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we are done with the speaker session. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
I request Mr. Anil Mitra to reply to the questions.
Thank you all shareholders. Thank you for all your suggestions, which will definitely help us to take our company forward in the right perspective. We will consider all the suggestions for future. As far as certain questions were concerned, we have around strength of employees around 80, out of which around 40% are female. We have competition from all the members who are in the same field, and only good service will only help us to take our company forward. And we'll, as the Indian economy is growing economy, we see good future for our company. I hope I have answered all the questions which were raised during the speeches of the shareholders. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I wish to inform you that the company has provided remote e-voting facility to shareholders of the company to cast their votes electronically on the resolution proposed in the annual general meeting. I would further like to inform you that the members attending the meeting through video conferencing can exercise their right to vote through e-voting platform for the next 15 minutes. Therefore, I request members to cast their votes who are yet to do so. Those members who had cast their votes through remote e-voting cannot vote again through e-voting during the meeting. I would request the moderator to activate the link for allowing the members attending the meeting to vote electronically. The board of directors have appointed Mr. Pradeep Shah, practicing company secretary, as scrutinizer to supervise the e-voting process. The consolidated results of remote e-voting and e-voting during the meeting shall be announced by intimation to the stock exchanges and will be placed on the website of the company as well as on the website of the Lincoln Time India Private Limited. I thank all of you for your continued support to the company and look forward for the same support in future as well. I hereby declare the meeting as concluded. I thank all the panel members, including the board members, the statutory auditors, the secretarial auditors, the internal auditors, and the shareholders for being part of this annual general meeting. Thank you.